Good morning friends. Today let us learn a new topic. Let us know how to prepare azo dye. This is also known as azo beta naphthol. We are going to prepare phenyl azo beta naphthol today, and let us see how the reaction proceeds. In first step we are taking aniline. Aniline is benzene with NH2 group. It is called as aniline. Aniline is added with dilute hydrochloric acid. And when you add hydrochloric acid, the temperature is maintained from 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. When you add these two reactants, you will get anilinium chloride, which is a salt. This anilinium chloride is added with sodium nitrite, which is NaNO2. This is also in cool conditions. When you add, you will get benzene diazonium chloride. Diazonium. Di means two. Nitrogens are called as azo. So positive charge is there, we are calling it as diazonium, and a benzene ring is on one side, so we are calling it as benzene diazonium and chloride. This is also a salt. This process is called as diazotization. So in first step we are taking 2 ml of aniline and we are dissolving in 5 ml of hydrochloric acid, and in first step we are preparing anilinium chloride. After that we are adding sodium nitrite and we are getting benzene diazonium chloride. This process is called as diazotization, and this is the first process. And in second step we are taking beta naphthol, which is solid. We will grind it and we will dissolve in sodium hydroxide. So 4 grams of beta naphthol is dissolved in 20 ml of sodium hydroxide, and this is also cooled and it is kept at the temperature of 0 to 5 degrees, and you will get a salt. So in third step, in first step we have prepared diazonium chloride salt. In second step we have prepared beta naphthol salt. In third step we are going to do coupling reaction. Coupling means we are adding two chemicals. One is diazonium, benzene diazonium chloride, and beta naphthol, sodium beta naphthalate. And when these two compounds are added, automatically you will get phenyl azo beta naphthol. And first part of the reaction is called as diazotization, and mixing of these two compounds, it is called as coupling. Both of the reactions we will call it as preparation of azo dye. In this step what we are supposed to remember is, here aniline is base. When you are taking base, we are adding acid. Base is added with HCl. So aniline is base, we are adding HCl, we are forming a salt. So you are getting a salt 1. In second step, here beta naphthol is acid, we are adding base. So to acid we are adding base. So you are getting second salt. In third step, salt 1 and salt 2, when you mix, automatically you will get dye. This is the basic and simple experiment. You will get a beautiful yellow to orange coloration when you get this dye. Let us do the experiment and see. Please. So in first step we are taking aniline, and this is around 2 ml, and we are also taking hydrochloric acid. We are dissolving this aniline into hydrochloric acid, and we are taking sodium nitrate. When sodium nitrate is diazotization takes place. This is part A. And in second part we are going to take beta naphthol around 4 ml. That means we have already dissolved in sodium hydroxide, and some more sodium hydroxide is also taken around 8 ml, and this is part B. When you add these two mixture, you will get diazonium chloride. Now let us do the experiment. I am taking 2 ml of aniline into a test tube, and I am dissolving this aniline in hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid. Remember that you are going to take dilute hydrochloric acid, and see that there are no droplets. Total solution will make a uniform solution. And after preparing this solution, let us cool it. I am cooling it for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I have taken sodium nitrate in another test tube, and I am adding sodium nitrate solution to this. So in first step we have prepared diazotization part as done. So we got diazonium chloride salt. In second step I am taking beta-naphthol, which is solid. We have dissolved beta-naphthol into solution and we got the solution. And this solution I am taking around 4 ml. And to this 4 ml solution I am adding a little sodium hydroxide to make the salt. And I am also cooling this part B solution. So we made part A and part B. Now after getting cold we are supposed to mix these two to form azodine. So now we have prepared solution A and solution B, that means salt 1 and salt 2 are prepared. So we have taken aniline and we have added hydrochloric acid and sodium nitrate and we have cooled. We have taken this into a conical flask. In second step test tube we have taken beta-naphthol and dissolved in sodium hydroxide. Now I am going to mix these two. You can see a beautiful coloration of yellow to orange color will appear. This is azodine. Now we are going to filter and separate the solid compound. So the formed azodine will be filtered. When you filter, you will get a solid, and this solid can be recrystallized using acetic acid. So we have prepared azodine using these solutions. Try to learn this technique and have a nice time. Thank you, friends.